Hi all, this is Chris from ManageEngine New Zealand from Soft Solutions team. In today's video, we got a guest, Jay and Nagaraj from ManageEngine team. We're going to have a quick Q&A with the team and see what sort of information we can get from these guys. All right, let's get started. Jay, a quick intro about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Jay Anand. I'm the support technical manager in ServiceDesk support team.
Awesome. How about you?
I'm Nagaraj. I'm taking care of partner training and partner enabling for management service desk.
Awesome. So Nagaraj pretty much enabling partners across the globe and ensure that they get the best out of it. In fact, I've learned a lot from Nagaraj and Jai on how I can ensure that when I do a consulting services to our customers or workshop with the customers or configuration optimization with the customers, how I can make sure that a customer gets the best out of our product solutions. And in fact, learned a lot about advanced configurations, integrations, and customizations within our service desk application. All right, let's talk about the enterprise service management. That got released right now and on premises. Why it took this long for us to get it released, whereas it's already available on our on-demand edition for quite some time?
Okay, hope you're aware that we have more than 180,000 customers across the globe, right? So Service Desk is a kind of tool wherein the customers would be using it on a daily basis. On a day, they might be seeing the application interface for at least 6 hours a day, right? Even a minor change that we do on the application gonna impact them much, right? So to overcome this, we had to take extra care to ensure that no big changes happening, or the changes what are happening would be making the working easier for the users. So to have this conscious in mind, it took a little longer, and also the framework. So the framework, whatever we built for the service desk on-premise, has been upgraded for the better performance, though you have multiple instances created. So for that, it took a little longer for us.
Yep, and a team made it possible. So though we have a huge customer base, business commercial customers utilizing our IT service management solution, rolling out a change or a release on a application level or framework level upgrades or behavior changes, it's not that easy. Having said that, still our customers are quite keen to know why we do have so many releases in the application.
Okay, so we get a lot of feature requests from the customers. So we think our responsibility is to ensure the customer is satisfied with whatever needs they might have as per the recent trends. So we are working, our team is working hard to find and identify the features that are really beneficial for the customers. So that's the reason why we are just working continuously to ensure that we match the customer needs.
Perfect. In fact, the application has evolved with a lot of features and facilities in the tool, based on the customer. It's driven by customers' requirement across the globe, and that gets benefited to any customers who's going to buy it new from us or who are already in the application. So the best practices is to always have your application updated, upgraded to the latest service pack, and it should be at least the last 3 major builds, so that it's easier, it doesn't break much. And my recommendation, I believe our team's recommendation as well, to ensure that the application is always updated to the latest service pack, so that the support will not be an hindrance and we get the features that's got released in it. And in terms of enterprise service management, what's so unique about our enterprise service management? There are other vendors in the market do have it. Why it's so special with enterprise in ManageEngine?
Well, to create a service desk or help desk for non-IT department, for other departments, say HR, it hardly takes less than a minute to populate with the default configurations. Really. Yeah. So we provide with the default templates for HR and facilities management as a bundle with enterprise service management feature. And not only that, you also have blank instances, blank configuration available to customize your need for other departments as well. So the catch here is that it takes hardly a minute to.
So you guys heard it right. It literally takes less than 60 seconds to spin up an instance and have it up and running for our non-IT teams, and they get the IT best practices, frameworks, workflows get extended to the other business units or functions of the organization. So the hard work is already done by the team. So we already have pre-built templates available for human resource, HR, facilities administration. So we just have to spin up the instance, configure it the way we need it within our organization and environment, and have it up and running. Rightly said by Nagaraj, we also have a blank template which can be literally customized the way we want it. Say if it needed for an health and safety or marketing functions, or other community functions, or other departmental functions or business units within your organization, we can literally leverage that blank templates and have it customized. Right, and I believe, why ManageEngine
Okay.
and why Service Desk?
Okay. So this is going to be a common question asked wherever I go, even if I attend a trade show.
Mhm.
The common question to be asked by the people would be, why ManageEngine? How you guys make the difference? So this is my answer. So if you take ManageEngine, we have a broad spectrum of enterprise IT products. The best thing about it is all these products can work together. That is, we establish a kind of scenario wherein you can make your service desk as a command center, and all other operations can, can be controlled right from the control center. That is service desk.
Yeah.
So it can control as well as get data, and whatever you want to perform, you do it from one single console. So I would say this is the best thing about ManageEngine.
Rightly said. ManageEngine has 90 plus solutions, application toolset around comprehensive IT management. And whereas our IT service management tool act like a control and command center, integrates very well with all our internal, all our applications together, say it IT operations management, or security incident and event management, or privileged identity and access management, or your AD solutions, or security solutions like cloud security place or auditing tools. It's all integrated together, and based on the integration, even the assets get synced, and it's managed efficiently within the IT service management tool, Service Desk Plus, and all your security breaches can be handled, and we can apply the remediation directly from the IT Service Desk application. So I would agree, because that brought in a lot of enormous efficiency and effectiveness within organization whom I worked with as well. Where there's a customer, to give an example, they are literally 3-man band, and they are servicing about 2,000 staff users with the IT service management module, Service Desk Plus, as well as endpoint tool, and they are extending that particular application to the other toolkit, so that their maturity level in terms of IT service management is elevated to continual service improvements. Perfect. So that sums up pretty well. And let's talk about your New Zealand experiences. I believe it's you guys. This is the first time in New Zealand.
Yes, it's the first time for me in New Zealand. I got a wonderful opportunity to meet the customers for launching the ESM for them. So we have been to 3 different cities, Auckland and Wellington and Christchurch. The customers are, I would say the customers are very matured in terms of service desk management, and I strongly believe this ESM feature gonna help them in expanding the capabilities for the other departments as well.
Much appreciated, Jay. Thanks for your feedback. And Jay rightly said, our customers in New Zealand are well matured, and in terms of utilizing the application as well. And if you guys need to, if you guys needed help in upgrading your license from current version to enterprise service management module licenses, or if you guys need help with migration of your current applications to a different server, or any sort of servers improvement workshops, consulting exercises, or requirement for other ManageEngine tool sets and other applications, I'm more than happy to help with. And you guys know how to reach out to us sales@manageengine.co.nz. And if you guys need it, we have it on our website, manageengine.com. You guys can go there, download the application and reach out to us. We should be able to help in ensuring that you guys get the best out of the product that's available with ManageEngine Solutions. Much appreciated. Thank you very